Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You're in game and ready. Start now by joining a server and opening chat with Enter. Once open, press Windows key plus period, Win plus. To bring up the emoji picker and click the emoji you want. Make sure your cursor is in the chat field before you select, otherwise the emoji won't paste. If the picker fails, copy an emoji from a trusted text source and paste. That gets you past picker issues and starts the process immediately. Now that you can insert an emoji, compose your message and include the emoji where it reads naturally, then hit Enter to send. Be aware, Roblox runs a text filter. Common, standard Unicode emojis work best because obscure glyphs can become blank or removed. Once done, you can also trigger avatar emotes. Those are animations, by opening the emote menu or typing /e emote name. They're different from text emoji, but add the same expressive effect. Test a message to confirm it appears as intended. Finish by verifying messages display correctly across players. Send a test emoji and watch how others see it. If emojis don't show, first update Windows and the Roblox client, then clear the Roblox cache and try again. Often that fixes font or rendering issues. If problems persist, switch to the web chat or a private server to isolate the Roblox filter or server-side blocking. Key tip: if you still see blanks, use standard Unicode.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.